Welcome back to Terry Family Adventures. This is Mama. Over my birthday weekend, Dad took me to see the Titanic Museum at the Luxor Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. Terry Family Adventures. At the beginning of the museum, you get a boarding pass of a real passenger. At the end of the tour, you get to see if your passenger had survived or perished with the Titanic. Ever since I was a little girl, I've been extremely fascinated with history. I've always loved to find out what things are about and how they became and what happened over the course of time. There was a man on the ship named John Jacob Astor. He was the richest man on the ship. He was married to an 18-year-old girl, and she was pregnant. They were traveling from England, I believe. Don't quote me on it, but I believe they were from England, and they were coming to America. And John Jacob Astor, I believe, perished with the ship, but his wife, I believe, made it to, I believe she survived, and she had a little boy, and he grew up knowing the story of his dad and how they were traveling, and his mother always made sure that he knew who his dad was. And it's just, there's so much about this beautiful ship that is just absolutely amazing. The grand staircase was my favorite part. I started bawling. It's so beautiful. And when you're there, you feel a lot of energy there. I don't know if you guys are like me. I base, everything off of energy, and I have a lot of feelings with energy, and there was so much energy. But when you walk in there, you can feel the sadness and the love and the happiness that people felt while they were on the Titanic before the tragedy. And then you go into the iceberg room, and it actually has a piece of ice that is frozen, and it's like the iceberg, and you can touch it. And when you touch it, you just feel the sorrow and the scaredness and the pain, and you wonder, it makes you wonder what people felt and what were their last thoughts before most of them perished. It's so intriguing to me. I get emotional talking about it because I love it so much. It's just very intriguing to me, and I love learning new history and about this. This honestly was the best birthday gift Dad could have ever given me because I've been so obsessed. But I plan on going to every single one of the Titanic museums in the United States. I know there is one in Tennessee, and I know there is one in other places. And trust and believe, I will be there, and I will take you guys along with me. Thanks for watching, you guys.